Okay, friends, let's take a look at the next practice question you have. You have a CFU 3. We are going to walk through this together, and throughout the video, you'll have questions that you need to answer as we are working on this together. So, this question is asked us to graph the equation 6x plus 9y equals to 54 by converting the function into slope-intercept form. Again, what is the slope-intercept form again? You should have written down y equals to mx plus b. Now, to get to that slope-intercept form, you need to solve the equation for y. So that means I need to get y on one side and no y on the other side. What goes on the y side? 9y goes on the y side. And then what goes on the no y side? You should have written down negative 6x plus 54. What do I need to do now? To get y by itself, you need to divide by 9 on each side. So working on that, you're going to end up with y equals, go ahead and type out the answer for the other side of the equation. That would be negative 2 over 9 negative 2 over 3 x plus 6. Okay, now that I have this, I need to know in order to graph it, I need to know my beginning number and my slope. So b equals to what? You should have b equals to 6. That gives me my beginning number. So you're gonna go on the y-axis, put a dot on 6. That's my beginning number. Now, that slope is going to tell me rise over run. In this case, my slope is negative 2 over 3. So what direction is negative 2 telling me to do? You should have said down. The negative 2 is telling me to go down 2. What direction does the positive 3 tells me to do? You should have said to the right. So the direction you're going from the point 6 is you need to go down 2 over to the right 3. So on the graph, from 6, you go down 2 over to the right 3. That's where you put your next point. You can do a couple more points. So from the new point, you go again down 2 over to the right 3. Now you have 3 points. You can make a more accurate line. So draw a line that goes through all 3 of those points. At this point, you should have this completely filled out. You should have answered all the questions. The last thing that you need to do is to take a picture using your laptop camera. Take a picture of this question, just this question, and upload it on the assignment that says graphing using slope-intercept form. That is the only question on that assignment. After you upload this, you can go on to the next part of your Neopod.